Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with engulfing zone trading strategy. So as I have told you, this strategy is included inside my ebook. You see, I told you if you see weak sellers at the zone, you place your trade. You see here weak sellers, I place my trade. Here as well, I see weak sellers, I place my trade. You see I placed two trades because of confidence of this strategy. This strategy is very nice, it's very profitable, and you don't need support and resistance, you don't need trend line. You just place your trade. You see I placed two trades at the same time because of the confidence. You see here, very nice winning trades, all of them. You see I placed put option here after weak sellers at the zone. Here as well I placed put after weak sellers at the zone. Here is Euro USD, here is Euro GBP. You see, so as I have told you, this strategy is included inside my ebook. I explain it in detail inside the ebook. So if the ebook is ready, I will let you know. This one is part 4. I posted part 1, part 2, part 3. If you didn't watch, try to watch them. They are very educational and they are very profitable. So let's take one more trade. You see here, this is zone breakout, put option. I lose this opportunity, no problem. I'm coming. Let me pause. I want to answer call, please, 1 second. So okay, I'm back now. Let's continue. So let's check another opportunity. So you see here is engulfing, and here is another engulfing. So I will wait for the next candle here. Yes, this candle is reversing. See here, here is engulfing, here is engulfing. So this zone is very nice zone. So I'll wait. If I get higher entry point, I'll place my trade. I need a higher entry point. No problem, market is not going higher, so I need marginal of safety. I need market to reach this level at least, then I place my trade. Market is not going higher, no problem. Let's check another one. You see here, this is another engulfing. This is another engulfing, but this one is not nice. But you see here, that's why I told you. Now I will place put option here. So that's why I didn't place my trade now here, because I know it may create weak candle. But now you see, I see weak candle, weak sellers, so I'm expecting strong sellers. So that's why I place my trade put option here. So let's see, let's wait. We have time, so let's wait for the results. I know definitely market will reverse here. We have 25 seconds. Because after weak sellers, after breakout of the zone, you see weak sellers, so you should expect sellers to enter. So that's why I place my trade here. You should expect strong sellers. You see, this strategy is very confident. If you can spot the opportunity, you see winning trade because of the network, you see. So this strategy is very powerful, it's very nice if you can be able to spot them. So I have explained it in detail inside the ebook. Try to get the ebook if it is ready. So you see here I took total 3 trades, all are winning trade based on this zone, and this is part 4. So let me explain. You see here, this is engulfing, and this is the zone. Here you see sellers, weak sellers at the zone. You should expect strong sellers. That's why I place my trade. And the next one, I took this trade at the same time because of the confidence of this strategy. You see here, you see engulfing here, another engulfing here, another engulfing here. Then market close at this zone. Then you see weak sellers at the zone. Then you should expect strong sellers at the zone. Very simple. You see, and the last trade here. This is the last trade here. You see, this candle engulfing, another engulfing here, and this is this whole area is the zone. You see weak sellers at the zone, then you should expect strong sellers at the zone. That's why I place my trade put option. All the same scenario. It's very, very simple. So if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, comment, share. If you have any suggestion or question, please drop it in the comment section. If you need any help about trading, forex, binary option, cryptocurrency, all this strategy is working in whole financial market. So this is the end of this video. I'll say thank you